Nice retracement needed back to structure. Dollar strong, stock market bearish. Trend is bearish. Look at the support. Support could become resistance right at 61% level. So I'm waiting for a retest there, a nice counter reversal. That'll get me to sell short. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 10 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US, the Swiss and the yen, and short on the Aussie, the Euro and the New Zealand. Speak over the dollar index. A lot of strength continuing since Friday's news, testing that sneaky little level which came in there. And I still think we should test that level. That's the coup de grace. That's the area. If it turns from there, test and turns around, we should see another leg down the page like we saw here. Or if it closes back above that resistance line, then obviously we'll see another leg up the page. Everything's still bearish on my long-term, medium-term and short-term. However, on the intraday charts, that's where I'm still very strong bullish. You can see here, dollar gaining the second strongest place in the currencies here. So from the red pushed up there to the third, now to the second. So on the intraday charts, I will definitely stay bullish on the dollar until that changes. But on any longer term, medium term or other short term like end of day charts, weekly charts, definitely I'll want to stay bearish there. But on my intraday 4-hour charts and 1-hour trades, I'll stay dollar bullish here. Gold holding very well actually, because this is a daily trade. This is not a 4-hour trade, it's a daily trade, holding well, giving us a little bit of relief here, putting us back underwater for 2 days, but now pushing back up, giving me a little bit of profit there still. But I'm still waiting for that to break. Unless that breaks, I'll do nothing. I'll just sit with this trade and that trade, and I'll keep going with it until it breaks, and then I will respond. Other than that, there's not much I can do on gold at present. Bitcoin, strong day yesterday. All the cryptocurrencies saw a strong day yesterday. Quite nice long white candles, but that doesn't change the trend. That doesn't change the fact that we are in a bearish trend on the short-term side of things. I'm still not buying. I was lucky I did my dollar averaging buying yesterday morning and immediately in the money. That's always nice to see, but it was more luck than wisdom. It's not something I try to time at all. It's just the thing I do in the first week or so. I was just a little bit late this month. That's it. But other than that, not much we can do here on cryptocurrencies. In the Aussie CAD, I gave you that short last week, looking good, making new lows, breaking to another new low. I'm seeing this little small fractal coming in here. You can see a new high, lower high, getting closer to the target. So I'm pulling in my stop loss 15 pips above that high there. That brings it in there. So maybe I'm a little bit too early with this, but it's summer holidays, so I'm not expecting those big moves still. For now, I'm going to pull my stop loss in, locking in, a 30 to 40 pips stop loss, profits for about a 30 to 40 pip stop loss. So that gives me roughly a 1-to-1, and I'm happy with that to trail out on that. But I'm really hoping for the targets here just above the 90 levels. Aussie, absolutely bottom of the pile. CAD, I'm not worried about, but the Aussie, I want to be short, so I don't want to stuff this up, but I also have to consider the summer holidays, which is the final week of summer holidays this week. I don't want to let it go back all the way there, and I knew we were summer holidays. All right, I want to stay short Aussie, and I'll do it here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Nasdaq, nice retracement needed back to structure. Dollar strong, stock market bearish. Trend is bearish. Look at the support. Support could become resistance right at 61% level. So I'm waiting for a retest there, a nice counter reversal. That'll get me to sell short. On the pound Aussie, same as yesterday. Pound I'm not after, but Aussie short. I want Aussie short. Going long here, that'll give me the Aussie short. So I'm waiting for the test, right the structure here after we had a double bottom, strong break. So the retest is coming down in a very nice, good fashion, but I need this to test this. Once I see the bulls prove themselves with a nice counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. New Zealand yen, I want to be short New Zealand, I want to be long yen. You can see yen has got all the sparkle. New Zealand, well, second last position here, fighting with the Aussie. So very weak, the New Zealand, and the yen very strong. So I want to be short here. So I'm going to wait for the test at the 50% level, right the structure there. Once I get a counter reversal there, I'll then take some shorts. The US CAD, nice consolidation happening, Dollar very strong, cat neutral, not after that, after the dollar's long. If I get a breakout there, the retest and a candle reversal, I'll do that. Other than that, the first price would be a retest to 50% level, right the structure there, then a nice candle reversal early in the trend. So I would like to get along there on a nice reversal. Pound yen, pound neutral zone, yen green zone, all the sparkle. I want to be long yen, and by shorting the pound, yen gives me that long. I'm not after the pound, I'm not worried about the pound, I want the yen. But I'm going to wait for the retest. You can see support turning into resistance right at 50% level. If I can get another test there and the bears can prove themselves, I'll then look for some shorts. Euro Aussie, Euro red zone, Aussie also red zone. So not one of my favorites, however, I'm after the Aussie short. Going long here will give me that Aussie short. Euro is still, although it's weak against those currencies, it's still much stronger than the Aussie. It's such a nice pattern, I cannot let this go. This was like a triangle pattern there, and now the retracement back to 61% level. The technical picture is just very, very nice on this one. So I'll still consider this, although it's in the same color, unless they get way too close to each other. If they're next to each other, I'm going to step aside. Other than that, I will go with a long here once the bulls can confirm here with a nice bullish candle. Euro yen, Euro red zone, yen green zone. I want to be short. I'm going to wait for that retracement back to structure they confirmed yesterday between the 50 and 61%. Candle reversal there, that'll get me to sell short. On the New Zealand US, New Zealand very weak, dollar very strong. So testing this level, you can see after this big drop, the market found support here, creating structure. So yesterday sort of confirmed it, but not something I was watching. Now testing it again. So if I can get a nice solid candle reversal here later today, I'm definitely going to short this because it's a brand new trend coming up. So I'm going to watch this carefully for today. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.